How to install home cabinet shelves. New Age Products home cabinet shelves are great for displaying dishware and decorative items in your kitchen and home. Make sure to collect all required components and tools necessary prior to your installation. Home cabinet shelves can be installed in 3 different configurations: interlocked layout, one-side fixed layout, and free hanging layout. This video will go over how to install home cabinet shelves in the free hanging layout. For installation steps involving different installation types, consult the installation manual. Step 1. Once your shelf is unboxed, use a stud finder to locate and mark the wall studs in your desired installation area. Wall studs are crucial to support the weight of the shelf and its stored items. Step 2. Using a tape measure, transfer your stud markings from the installation area to your wall shelf. 24-inch and 36-inch shelves are required to be attached to 2 wall studs. 42-inch and 48-inch shelves are required to be attached to 3 wall studs. Step 3. Using the markings of your studs, drill pilot holes into the center of the shelf. Step 4. Insert the threaded washers onto your lag screws. These will eventually distribute the load of the lag screw as well as be used to attach the decorative cover. Step 5. Using a level, place the shelf in the desired installation area. Once level, secure to the wall using the provided lag screws and threaded washers. Do not over-tighten the lag screws and threaded washers. Step 6. Cover lag screws with the provided threaded screw caps. Repeat steps 1 through 6 for all remaining home cabinet shelves. Step 7. Remove all remaining protective film to complete your installation.